Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're talking about the topic of changing your country in the Binance. So Binance doesn't let you switch countries instantly on your own. Changing your country affects your KYC verification, available services, and regulatory status, so Binance treats it seriously. You'll need to prove your new residency. That usually means submitting a government issued ID and a utility bill or bank statement that shows your name and new address in the new country. Go to the Binance app or website, tap Support, and open a live chat. Type, "I want to change my country." A support agent will guide you to upload documents and possibly redo your identity verification for a new region. The process can take a few days. Binance might also ask why you're changing countries. Just answer truthfully. Once approved, your account will reflect the new region, and you will have access to country-specific features. And that's it. Changing your country on Binance takes a little patience, but it's doable. For more crypto tutorials like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to support us. Guys, see you in the next one.